Welcome everybody, I'm here. Back to trading. Okay, we're back. Welcome, good to see you guys. Let's start the stream. Hello, Red. Sorry I wasn't here in London, but had some family business to take care of, and it is what it is, you know. Let's see. Hey there, T-Bond. ProfiTrade have not paid you yet. When did you submit your payout request? I think you said more than 7 days. Yes, I don't know. I know you said it earlier that you submitted it. I just got the newsletter that they have automation now live, so that should speed up the process. Depends on when did you submit your request, I guess. That's the question. All right, London session went down to this 1 hour BC down there, and then went up to another one. These are both 1 hour BC. Okay, let's put this here. 1 hour, no, CB, sorry, that was a CB, sell side imbalance. That was a CB. And that is also a CB up there. All right, we still have time until market open. No, this is 1 hour CB. Okay. Let's see. Looks like it's inverting this gap here on the 5 minute. Might even try to go higher. Might even go higher. Not sure. All right. Let's look for possible levels here, targets or anything. Got rejected down here, that's for sure. I mean, bounced off from this level. This is technically a bullish order block on the 1 hour down there. So, but we have also a bearish order block, a little bit like a market maker sell model. And we have previous day low, which is, how interesting. Okay, almost at the bottom of the 1 hour BC down there. Because there is a 1 hour BC. Okay. Let's see. Hey Zoltan, what's up? Interesting looking to the open. Yeah, we're gonna have some news. So that means, yeah, 10 a.m. we had unemployment claims. well, somewhat okay news. And PMI numbers, PCE numbers. Yeah, I guess after 10 a.m. we should see the real move happening. So nothing special. So hey T-Bond, I'm not sure if you were here when I was asking. So when did you request your payout, or is it approved yet? Did you have your minimum 7 days for approval? Because it depends, you know, on the withdrawal. Also, payouts are made every Monday, I mean by basics, but next payout until they catch up, I think they'll go on Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, so should be happening in a couple of days. Yesterday we had more people who got the payouts as well. So what is going on? Let's wait and see. Most likely, we're just gonna range in between these levels again. So, not sure. Where's my calculator? What is going on? I'm also checking gold. But so far nothing. I think on gold we have the new contract already, the February contract. Hey Akram, what's going on? Welcome. Just saying to you as well, sorry I wasn't in the London session, but tomorrow I will. I will make it right tomorrow. How was your day so far? It was a bit of a slow London, I see. I mean, we went down to this area, but nothing special. It's really hard to decide which way this one wants to go. Less than 2 minutes until the open. Good morning, MB Trader. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's gonna be. I think markets are closing only. I mean, markets are only gonna be open in the AM session, New York, right? So, which is not a problem. We can still be here. So before our first hour open price range, enhanced profitable. Yeah. Yeah. First we gotta wait. I agree, Zoltan. I agree. We must wait for the news. I think so. Excuse me. Holy Grail, what up? Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, seems like we're going lower. There's the new week opening gap right below. I'm gonna give this one a little bit of a different style. All right, we have the open, by the way. Totally forgot. Let's dive down to the 1 minute. It might want to take out the lows here at 904. Be careful. Be careful, everyone. Oh yeah, took it out. Dropping nicely. One more busy on the 1 hour down there. Which is also down at previous day low. I think it can easily take that if it really wants to. Take the 50, you know. Yeah, look at that. It's just gonna go through, I feel like, but not sure. Good morning, Marcelele. What's up? I wonder if we're gonna go through that level. I mean, that down there is a previous day low. I'm not sure if it wants to drop or anything. It looks weird. It might even bounce right back from here. And there she goes. Her show, what up? I'm starting to look like Asia session more than AM. Oh, yeah, sometimes the Asia session does give more opportunities. I'm not even surprised. ES getting higher. Oh, I haven't even watched ES. Let me look at it quickly. I actually accidentally closed down the charts on my other screen. Oh my god, what's happening with ES here? What a move. Didn't quite sweep the lows, but definitely decoupled with NQ. That's very interesting. Let's see. Should be going down, take out previous day low, right? The problem is we have 25 minutes. There you go. We have 25 minutes until the news. So careful by chasing this. Look at this. What a bounce again. What a bounce. All right, nothing special. What are you guys up to? Anybody scalping this previous day low? I'm not in a trade. And I can actually prove it. Oh, not this one. This is a funded account. Positions, orders. I have a funded account from MyFundedFutures, which is in a bit of a drawdown, and I made $50-something today on it. But I still don't know if this one wants to go lower or not. The 51 is pretty close. Might not gonna go for it. No. The mid-level of this BC is 57. Doesn't look like it want to go for it. Five-minute candle is about to close. Could be a squeeze coming up. You know, real quick. Still not down there. Wow. And there you go. Did it go through the low, actually? I wonder. No, it didn't. It's still there. Let's... Okay, we have... 52 on the mini and 51.50 on the micro. So I would go with 52. What was the low here? The low was 52.75. Oh, actually it didn't go down. All right. So it didn't take out yesterday's low. But it was very close. It was very close and bounced off just like that. Everybody's gonna wait for the news, so that's what we're gonna do as well. We're just gonna wait for the news. What's happening with gold? Gold actually looks interesting, to be honest. To continue higher, you know. Reprice some levels maybe. No, not this one. Come on, where is it? Okay. Don't forget, on gold we have the new contract. I mean, we have the old one too, but there's more volume on the new February contract. If you guys are on futures. Where is this going? What's the next level here? Gold should be kicking higher, in my opinion. By the way, with TickTickTrader, there is a Black Friday sale, 45% off on direct funded accounts. If you use my code, just saying. And also 70% off on the 25K rhythmic evaluations. So it ends on Sunday. Looks like it's going. It should be taking out the 96 if it would be a squeeze. The 5-minute took some liquidity, a little bit higher. Would you look at that? How far do we think gold can go to the upside? How far? I think it can go to 3,000. I think it wants to go to 3,000. But if you're asking today, I think it can make a new high for the day. That's what I think. Maybe a new high for the day, but you know. Excuse me. But we don't know. On the long term, I'm definitely bullish. 3,000 is a nice round number. And there you go, taking liquidity on the 1 minute. What do you guys think? Gold is also struggling a little bit here. Everybody's waiting for the news. And we're gonna do so as well. It's not going anywhere. It's just not doing the thing. Just hovering, going sideways here. Oh man, it's hovering. It's just hovering here. And not doing anything special. Okay, gold is edging lower again. That's interesting though, I should say. And now, maybe it's gonna do it before the news. NQ can spike down and go through the 51. 852. 52 on the mini. There could be a spike down, you know, to take out that level. So watch out for that. Might not gonna do it. So have to wait. But this was a strong move. And it still did not took out the lows down there. It's getting a little shaky before this news. Can also bounce. This is actually the macro. So we have the macro, we have the news, we have everything right now. And that's why we should wait for the 10 a.m. to show us the direction. All right, took out the low. Took out the low. All right. And we still have time from the macro. It's the waiting game. It's the waiting game. All right. Waiting for the news. Less than 3 minutes. Yeah, Red. We have the news in less than 2 minutes, so gotta be patient and wait for what's gonna happen. Less than 1 minute to go. No, nothing. I wanted to, actually. I was looking for some scalps. I mean, before the stream, I traded on my Take Profit Trader evaluation or test account, but since the open, I was just too scared. I was afraid of a bounce, which happened, and then anyway, I wanted to go short to take out previous day low, but I think this was the area where I wanted to take a short, and then it went up there, so I was just waiting. All right, here comes the news. One, and let's go. So far, nothing special. The ES chart on the 5-minute looks terrible. It's like a barcode chart. Now it looks like it might want to go lower. And if it does, I wonder how far. Okay, we have another level, by the way, on NQ down here, which has already been taken as well. And this is a bullish order block on the 1 hour. No, it's not. We've taken that too. So where does it go? Where does it want to go? 15-minute fair value gap at 26. And we have a Monday low at 754 as possible sell side liquidity. 755 actually. Which is also a bit like a bullish order block, so it can go down to the 55s. But nothing that I like so far. $755. What is down there? 820. Might want to go down to the 800s. Gold is dipping lower. We might see a reversal here. Bullish engulfing candle. Possible reversal. Let me look at it closer. I mean, it looks okay. To be honest. I took a long position, small one. Where is it? Not this one. Here. Oops. Visual trades. This is it. I had a scalp on this one. It's visible. 99. Yeah, I'm looking for that 99 level. Actually, a little bit lower. If it would go there. But feels like catching a falling knife here. If I don't see a nice push, then I might not gonna be interested too much. There's a 1 minute gap at 72. 5 minute gap above 64. Yeah, I might gonna close it if it starts to dip. Moving my stop. A little bit closer, I'm moving it. Because if it starts to go down to that area, I just don't want to be in the trade anymore. And I think it wants to go down to that area. Below 35, then I think it's just gonna make a new low. So I just don't want to see it trade below 35. If it trades below 35, then it's done anyways. How can I find a 1 week time frame? Oh, MB Trader, it's just go here and oops, sorry, go to time period. So you click on this time tab here, and you scroll down here to week, 1 week, and you can select 1 week, 2 week, whatever. So obviously 1 week. You select it, 1 week, and obviously load the last, for example, 1 month or 6 months of history on the weekly chart, and apply, and you're gonna get it. So here it is, week. It's right there. You don't see it, right? I hope you. So right here. You're welcome, MB Trader. You're welcome. Anytime. Anytime. Looks like we're stuck here. I'm going to move my stop, I think, because if it's going down again, it's just gonna break lower, and you know, there, just 1 tick below. I don't like this, so that's why I'm reducing. I'm reducing the risk here as much as I can. Yeah, it might range. I wanted to see it go back to the 900s. But look at that. It just doesn't really want to go. instead, it wants to take me out, which is okay. I mean, it's not okay, but but what can we do? ES took some lows, created an equal low, which I don't really like. I think it's gonna go lower. All right, it is what it is. No worries. Let's just, yeah, that's it. Let's just continue to move on. Seems like it wants to go down to the below the 20s maybe. Yeah, this was a falling knife situation here. There you go. It's all right. I'm still in the green with this. I don't feel like I should be going long here, right? Like, it's not really that area where I should be going long. Okay, that's a 5-minute CB. 5-minute CB. It's not going there. It's just not going there. Actually, it's going lower. Okay, one more level here on the 15-minute at the 10. Small little gap here. Might want to take it. All right, now it went into that small gap on the 15-minute chart. Oh, what do we have? What else do we have here? We had a new day opening gap here from last Thursday. The interesting thing is how price reacted to this level earlier throughout last week and this week. So is this going to bounce it back up there or not? Because if it's not gonna do that, then I think it's just going to continue to go lower. You know, maybe just pushing through the 800. All right, let's get back to the 5-minute. Might go down to the 755, and there's the 800. What a sell-off. What's happening here? It just keeps on going. I feel like it might want to go to the 785s. Took a short scalp at 800. It didn't go down. One-minute gap. A little bit higher. Might want to reprice it. No entry on the 1 minute so far. Looking for 5-minute levels. Oh, sorry. And we'll see what's gonna happen. Seems like we're stuck in this range. But this gap is holding so far. That was a new day opening gap from last Thursday, which was actually, where was it? Was it that? Maybe it wasn't really that. Hey, Unroutable, do you know if Apex is still doing? Yes, they're doing the 1 day pass. Yes, 1 day pass. Still. I think so far they're gonna leave it as 1 day pass. So yeah. Rejection. Here is a rejection. The 15 minutes so far, I think it needs to be repriced. Yeah, sure, no problem, Unroutable. It's still 1 day pass. And there you go. One more spike down. What a move. Interesting how it reacted to that gap. Inverted it, and now it seems like it might want to go down to the 55. It's holding no volume to push. The next down is 6,000. Yeah, if ES... I think, yeah, there's nothing to hold ES. Created another relative equal low. And now this one just feels like that it might want to go. Look at that. I also have to see the first fair value gap here. The first fair value gap after the market opens. So this was 930. This is not it. Okay, the first fair value gap should be here on NQ. That's gonna be that one up there. If it would decide to go up. Yeah, the same on mini as well. Small 1 hour gap. Okay. Okay. Hey, Muhammad. What's up? Welcome, welcome. Everything's all right. Today there was no London stream, as I said earlier, so some family business I had to take care of. But tomorrow I will be back. And so far, I'm just looking for a proper entry. I scalped here and there, but so far not too much success. Whoa, there you go. Almost down to 55. I don't want to chase this. I just don't want to chase this. I'm scared. I am scared to go after this one. Gold took some liquidity lower. But looks like this one just wants to go. $6,000 target for your short. Oh, there's another block. Well, I think it can go there. I just don't know if NQ is gonna bounce here, or what's the plan, you know? Yes, it's still holding, but we'll see. I don't know what's it doing. It's hard to decide. It could be bouncing up there. The new 5-minute, 15, and 30-minute candles started. Obviously, we have 20 minutes until the macro. Enter the short, trying to scalp it again. I don't like it. Just want to see the 60s. I mean, below the 60s. But if it bounces up there, then obviously this is not the move yet. Might even close it down. Oh my god. This is just this is so typical from my side too. Entering on this level. And there it goes. No, I'm not going to push it. Even if it goes down now. I'm not going to do anything with it. Instead, I'm going to look what's happening on gold here. Look at that. Now it's going. Or maybe not. I thought that this one wants to go. I mean, to try to break the downside here. It's clearly not the case yet. All right, now finally, unfortunately without me, finally it has been taken out. What a slow grind at the end here. Obviously, we still have some targets to go for, but this was, wow. Quite interesting. So now liquidity has been taken out. It can still drop. We have some levels on the 1 hour. Almost like trend line liquidity down there below the 693. You took the short? Nice. Let's go, Akram. Congratulations. Yeah, it was... and now I think the next stop would be down at 700. You know, wouldn't be surprised, because this was so hard to break. I think it just wants to go deeper, lower. Not the kind of price action I like. I mean, it's great because it's moving, but can't decide where to enter, what to look for. Interesting. How's the 1 hour look like? Huge drop. Can go down to the 600, right? I still need to wait for price to at least try to reprice a fair value gap. I need some kind of a retracement before going lower. Uh, 735. Maybe down to the 700. Not sure. All right, going back. Maybe. Okay, no reprice. Okay, the 1 minute has been repriced. I like the swing high at 818 if it wants to go back up there. Yeah, I like that level. I'm gonna put a line there. Oh, not there. This one. So this would be okay. 819 as a possible target. Yeah, there's a 5 minute fair value gap there. Because that's what price wants, right? 5 minute CB. One more push needed. You on target? All right. Yeah, Akram, it was a major liquidity sweep. The question is it done yet? It might not be over yet. So it might not be over. Okay, fair value gap here. Seems like it might want to go. Yeah, it can. It can. Yeah, it can go long to catch some upper levels here. So there was a small gap here. Didn't really go down. Feel like this one might want to go higher, but even if it goes, you know. Anyway, I took a long, small one, and I'm gonna add to it 775. My entry is bad anyways because it's bad. I'm gonna add to this position if I have to. I'm targeting that 5 minute gap up there. If it goes, and I'm gonna add to this position maybe once if it would go and reprice some lower levels. I mean, price 59. If I add to, yeah, I'm pretty sure that it has a chance to push it above the 820. Especially on the 5 minute, it's a beautiful bullish formation. So let's see. Okay. Something's wrong with my desktop. What is it? I don't know what's going on. Oh, the screen just went away. What the hell is going on here? What the hell is... What did I do? I don't know what just happened. Something is messed up here. I messed up. Oh, there you go. Okay, my OBS totally messed up. Anyway. It doesn't look good, to say the least. Oh, man. It doesn't look good. And that's it. I tried. I tried. It did the same to you. Quant Tower having problem. Oh. Holding shorts. I don't know. I was a little bit optimistic that it will go higher. And, you know, maybe we can target those levels up there. But seems like it's not there yet. It just doesn't want to do it. Actually, it might just even go lower and, you know, make some new lows. Not trusting this. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Gratulálok. Tamás is saying, finally a nice big sell. Ah, I see. Nice, nice. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm trying to decide when is gonna be. Az előző hétre. When is gonna be the bottom here? I think it's. I think this is the bottom somewhere here, and we are already in the macro, but we might just have to wait. Maybe it spikes down once more. We don't know that. So might even reverse from here. Feel like it could. Up to the 819, but depends on if it wants to make one more leg or not. I think it can still spike lower and make the new low. The macro is still on. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Just I don't know what it wants to do, guys. Honestly, no idea. No idea. We have the new hour. I don't know if it wants to dump from here. Does it want to take some new levels, or is it gonna do a bounce finally? No idea. I feel like anything can happen at this point. You know, this is the typical coin toss situation. Where we have no idea. Lower delivery. Yeah. Yeah, we took the drawn liquidity down there. That's true. And that's why I don't know if it wants. It could spike down once more. We have some very good targets maybe for the PM session. So that is something I would be waiting for. Yeah, it looks like it's, yeah, look at that. One more spike. It could go even below the 700, obviously. There are still some levels. Going long here, I realize that now it would be like catching a falling knife. That would be rather difficult. And yeah, look at that. One level 93. What a drop. And it didn't quite touch the 700. Did it go down on the mini? On the mini, the low was 704. It can also bounce from here. If it's not gonna go and, you know, take out that, what's that level? Yeah, down there at 96, anything can happen. So that low level, that sell side liquidity is at 693. We have the 700 in the way, and I think any second it can bounce. No, not really. I tried to scalp, Marcelo. I tried to scalp, but actually I'm in a bit of a drawdown. But that's all. 7 explosion news, yeah. Oh, that would be interesting to see that. 17k, but you know, NQ can never surprise me anymore. NQ can do anything. You know how I say it. I mean, it's too low to go short and too low to go long right now. I definitely need a structure shift on this one to try something. Look at that. Here's the bounce. Here is the bounce, which is good. It's all right. I can take it. I like it. We have a structure shift finally. You were down negative 1200, 1250, and today got back up. Wow, let's go. Now that is beautiful. Nicely done. Congrats, congrats. Small gap down there. Might even jump to a long position. Put a buy limit at 2450. I don't think it's gonna go for it, but I put a buy limit at 2450. Just in case. Still not there. It didn't take my entry. Oh my god. And now it's taking me out. Oh man, okay. Already got stopped out. Immediately. Immediate stop out. What a drop. I feel like Knight might want to break the 700. And it just did. There you go. Boom. Well, what can we do, right? 700 broken. Break-in broken. Break broke. Okay. Maybe we might see a possible reversal from here. Okay. Now it could be happening now. It could be happening now. Yeah. Oh, hallgatok egy kis trance musicot, ilyen kis deep progressive trance mix to the so I'm just listening a little bit of a deep progressive trance, but only on low volume. Relaxing, you know. Most nem ICT. Most nem. Not ICT currently, but I have ICT. I listen ICT when I drive. So not yet though. Oh man, I don't know what to do with this price action. It was obviously it was dropping down there. No possible reversal for me. I mean, I tried. And I still think that we have a good opportunity maybe in the PM session to go back up there. You know, up to the 870-ish, or at least 860. But on the 1 hour, well, I don't know. Szokott szerintem, nem? ICT streams nowadays. Sometimes he does the lectures, I think. Oh man. Oh man. What to do? What to do? Unfortunately, yeah, the move is done. Guys, the move is done, ladies and gents. This is it. Maybe the PM session will pick up a reversal. But so far, I think the AM session is done. So all I can tell is that I'm going to cut it here and coming back for the London session. Thank you so much for watching. Today was a bit of a half day for me because I had some family attendances to do so in the morning. So yeah, 200 move. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow in London and back to as scheduled. We have some time to trade as well, despite it's Thanksgiving. So thank you. And as always, if you'd like to support the channel, please use my code for these prop firms. Some great sales are going on still with Bulenox, Apex, you know, MyFundedFutures, Tradeify, whatever, you know. Thanks so much. Have a great day, you too as well. And see you guys tomorrow, London. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.